Hello, trader. I will be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. Lower time frame, we might see we can spot a boat pattern here on XAUUSD. So let's see in this consolidation, and we can see series of lower high formation where you can find trading opportunity in the upcoming session. Before we look at, let's first quickly look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. So looking at monthly, we can see that bigger picture, gold is bullish. We can see that we have seen quite a few times we did the same analysis. We can see from here a bounce, pullback, and it is in another impulse. So previous monthly candle also was a very strong bull candle. From here we saw that the market has managed to bounce back to the upside with a stronger momentum. And what we can see at the moment here, if we draw a level on the previous monthly, which is a strong resistance, and the market managed to break to the upside. We are almost at the end of the month, and any drop to the near to the support, what I think that, because this previous resistance on the monthly is acting as a support, we might see that potential breakout. Now dropping down to the weekly, where we see a little clearer picture, we can see previous weekly candle is a bull candle, which is a very strongly bullish impulse here. And in that bull candle, what we can see here from the weekly, a doji formation. Now this weekly candle, today's candle, we can see that from here there's a gap open, and in that gap open, the market from this level has managed to break out. Currently the price is approaching the weekly support, and if any time the market is approaching or breaking below this weekly low, especially this gap is a high liquidity zone. If the market managed to break below to the gap, we might see that another potential bounce on gold. Now dropping down to the daily, from the daily we see an interesting price action. There was a full body green candle here that we saw after this doji formation, and after break of this high we have seen that immediate rejection. That daily bearish engulfer has opened with a gap, grab the liquidity, and also grab liquidity from here. As a result, we saw that it has liquidity from both sides. Therefore the next candle that we can see, which is formed as an inside bar remaining between this even open and close, and as expected, as a result, this one today we see that again coming down. So this is an important support, and I think that the price has started to drop here locally. Though it is a long-term bull market, lower time frame we might see that gold coming back and breaking this low. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, we saw that there was an previous session, there's an unexpected bounce here, and with that unexpected bounce the market again tested this neckline and again breaking below. So looking at the 15-minute chart and also the 1 hour chart, if we look at before we go to the 15 minutes, we can see that the market in this level, which basically forming series of lower high respecting this resistance, we see that the market acted here as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and after formation of that resistance there was a long bearish engulfer. And what we can expect now after formation of this bearish engulfer, for the market to drop again, and we see that here there is a boat pattern formation, which what I spot as a boat pattern, and we may see that the market is either coming back to that support level here, forming that respecting the support and bouncing back, or maybe leaking that boat and dropping back below. At the moment, the most important area that we can look at in this market is around this 100 or 130 pip move possible, but I think that for potential this drop. So looking at the lower time frame from 15 minutes, we can see that there is a head and shoulder formation in that area, expecting this market to drop down to the support level. So this is where I will be waiting for potential entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable entry for this market, we will be looking for going short on gold with a high probability trade setup. Traders, hope that you enjoy this free education and analysis. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.